Today we are going to discuss today's Hindu editorial. The main heading of the editorial is just closure. So here like just closure. So the topic was like the focus must be on adequate compensation for families of fishermen killed by marines. So like here they have said that like here marines means like an aquatic life, and even we know that like there will be different aquatic lives, right? And the people here, two fishermen were died in an incident. So we have to keep focus on those type of issues which should not be repeated again and again. So we have to take a particular action on these all the things for to better not to make them to again occur in the future also. Here, the meaning of we know that the meaning of marines is like aquatic life, and even like in an other state, you can also get the meaning of marine as army. It may seem pragmatic to keep an pending litigation alive until all dues pertaining to it are paid and all legal issues are settled. So here the meaning of pragmatic means like like we'll say that like practical, and litigation means like legal. It must seem that pragmatic. It must seem like a particular to keep and pending legal alive until all dues relating to it are paid and all legal issues are settled. So every the government officer or any other officers must keep a particular view on a point, and everyone should focus on those points, and we should also work on this type of the on this type of the issues, and no one should take it as a like we should not even see it very less, and we should be very practical and focus on the particular point until it was settled, and we should not make any illegal things, and if anyone are doing an illegal things, we have to make it an illegal thing, and we have to focus on that until the thing was settled. However, it is somewhat puzzling that the Supreme Court of India has said it would keep the Italian Marines case alive until hefty and adequate compensation is paid by Delhi for killing the two fishermen by its Marines on February 15th. So here we know the India Supreme Court of India has said that we know that the fisherman's means like even the whole family will be depend upon the fisherman's, right? Now if the fisherman only lost their life, so the full family may get even disturbed. So again, it should not be repeated by any. The Italy people had took the life of two people, and the Prime Court of India has said that the Italy must pay a compensation. Compensation means a pay the bag or repay the money for the fisherman's family who had lost their who has lost the main of the family and who was suffering. So they were doing strikes for getting a justice for the fisherman's family, and like these fishermen were killed on February 15, 2012. So till now they were fighting for the compensation for the family who had lost their lives, and who were killed by the marines by the Italy people. The court has indicated that it would not allow the closure of the trial until such compensation is paid. They have particularly, and they have strongly fixed that they were not even going to close this case until the compensation was given by the Italy to the people. So they were very excited, like not like excited, like they were very conscious, and they were very particular to take the compensation from the Italy people, and they also want to make justice for the fisherman's family. So they were till now they are striking for compensation to get back from the Italy for the fisherman's family, and it has ordered that families of victims be heard on this matter. If they were not give the money back for the fisherman's family, so finally the fisherman family should stand for the justice, and they have to get compensation, and they have to fight for the compensation. Once the Union government has declared that it would abide by a ruling the permanent court of arbitration at The Hague, which granted immunity to the Marines and favored Italy as appropriate jurisdiction, which they would be tried for crime, it does not seem proper to delay the process of bringing closure to the matter. So we know that they have like it is one type of murder only, right? So again, anyone don't want to repeat the same mistake. So the Supreme Court want to end this type of matters here only. So everyone want to take a serious action on them, and then they all consider it as a murder, and everyone would stand. And everyone should have stands, and there will be a strong disputes in the future also, in this process. So everyone would mostly every one of the people who are striking for it, everyone would mostly fight for the justice. And for one thing, the PCA and arbitral tribunal that adjudicates disputes under the United Nations Convention on the Law of Seas has itself ruled that India is entitled to compensation of loss of life, physical harm, material damage to property, and moral harm suffered by the captain and crew, members of Saint and Anthony, the fishing vessel involved in the mandatory negotiation of quantum. So here, the people like in the India will mostly ask for the compensation for the for the like if the Indian government will give the compensation for the people who had the loss of life and who had the physical harm, material damage to the property, and moral harm suffered. So in this all the things, the India would be ready for giving compensation back if there was a mistake, and they would also for the same compensation if anything harm was done to the Indians also. Secondly, it hardly needs emphasis that the pendency of matter in court should not become a bargaining point that delays the reach of fair settlement. So, like a justice means it should be done very clearly and very truthfully, but we should not even bargain like we have please do. Justice must be always be followed by everyone. No one should do an injustice for the people. So if you do injustice, it will be automatically come towards us the same thing in the any time. So first of all, we should not do any injustice, and we should also not bargain for the justice, because if it is a truth, it will always win the dispute, and if it is not truth, it will always lose. So we should never try to bargain in any dispute for the justice. Continuing hearings may also be seen as Indian being reluctant to cease all criminal proceedings against the Marines as per the ruling. So, if even though in the continuous hearings it was said that everyone could go against the Marines, like the Marines which had murdered the people, the two fishermen of the Italy, means like fishermen of India by the Italy people. So they would go against against the Marines. So there was a hearings for these disputes. The court's resolve to obtain adequate and hefty compensation for the families of victims is welcome, although it would be difficult to have a judicial termination of quantum would satisfy the requirements. We know, like if there was a main person of the family, like he would provide everything what the family wants. But here, after giving compensation, if it was completed, no one could give the money. No one could give whatever they want, right? After compensation, money was completed or it was spent. So it would be somewhat difficult to recover all the requirements of the fisherman's family, and so everyone will expect to give a better compensation for the fisherman, so back to the family, and it is also somewhat hard to satisfy the requirements of the first fisherman's family. The center may have approached to court for formal permission to close the pending trial proceedings as a matter of abundant caution. So here the center has approached for the court for stopping all the discussions and just to focus on these marines, because like they can't manage all the things at a time, right? So first they want to close this, and next they want to continue other things. So they have approached the courts for this discussion. But as far as the law goes, it would have approached the trial court itself to the public prosecutor for withdrawal from prosecution under section 321 for the CRPC. And too many legal tangles have already caused enough diplomatic rupture in the progression of Enkrya state case in 2012. So even they also want to settle some of the cases which were in 2012, and even some of the, so they have kept the this so they have kept this under the section 321, and as an planned murder or like a harmful or the loss of life. So everyone want to take a serious action by keeping it under the case of section 321. Article 253 of Constitution, which says Parliament may enact a law to give effect to of an international treaty or convention, has been cited to argue that view of arbitral court's finding on being a conflict in the Supreme Court ruling in 2013 has a union government alone can try the case. A law may be needed before the trial is closed. So before this was all before all this settlement was happened, first of all justice must be happened for the family, and they have to keep a new law for these marriage laws or any other murders laws. So everything must be given very in a clear cut way. Like first of all, they have recommended the court in 2013 only about this type of attacks, but they did not care that much. So everyone are thinking this should be the last incident to close all the issues. This is just needless quibbling, as the conflict has ceased after India agreed to abide the tribunal's ruling in keeping obligations under UNCLOs. The Indians' focus should now be on negotiation for compensation, ensuring a purpose of criminal trial in Italy. So finally, the India was enough. Like they were asking for the compensation for the farmers, and they want to make a purpose trial in the Italy, like whether it is a matter or a by mistake it has happened. So they want to so finally they want to make the justice under the control of UNCLOs. So everyone were fighting for the justice for the farmers family. Here the full form of UNCLOs. The meaning of UNCLOS means under nations convention on the law of sea. So like it is an international agreement. So it is an international agreement, so they also want to make a justice internationally. So everyone had kept this case under the UNCLOs, which is for the seas, a law of seas. So everyone want to make a crime trial in the Italy, and want to make, and everyone were thinking to make justice for the fisherman's family. Thank you.